Hey, it's Tiana back with another video. So right now I am brushing my hair out after a twist out, and yuck, all that shed hair probably means it's time for my protein treatment. So today we are using the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment on my freshly washed hair using Jessie Curl's cleanser, of course. And yes, it stinks, but it works. So I'm going to start with the first part of the treatment, which is the treatment bottle. It's usually in the gray or the silver, and I'm going to section my hair off and apply it to the root first. Now this product is perfect for anyone who is experiencing damage, breakage. It is safe for colored hair, so if you're someone who colors your hair, this is perfect for you. And with me having fine hair, my hair breaks off very easily. And many of you may not know, my hair broke off really bad over a year ago. It literally snapped off in the middle, like snapped. So right now I'm going to brush it through, because you want to make sure that the product is coated in your hair from root to tip. And like I said, my hair just now started growing back. So this every 6 weeks, as well as my henna treatments, has helped my hair regain its moisture and retain some kind of length. And if you haven't checked out my henna video, I will link it below, so check that out. And also, while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my videos, as well as my new playlist, which is my vlog, The Yellow Life. And as you can see, this product can get a little messy, so the wrapper root definitely helped with that. All right, and I don't let any product go to waste. I spend a lot of money on products, so yeah, I'm going to shake it up and then just keep putting the rest of whatever is left in my hair. If I have any dry spots or any spot that I know needs a little bit more strength, I'm just gonna add that in. And as you can see, I'm focusing on my edges. Those are very fine, as well as the middle, which is where my hair broke off and snapped off at. All right, so everything is in. So next, you're going to take your blow dryer or a hooded dryer and put it on medium heat, medium speed. Do not manipulate the hair at this part of the process. If you comb your hair or brush or anything like that, it will break off. This is a very serious protein treatment, so do not manipulate the hair, hence why you have to brush the product through before you decide to blow dry. So here I'm just blow drying until the product becomes hard in my hair. So it will take a couple of minutes and you'll see it become really stiff, like so. All dried in my hair, looks really stiff. That's what you want. That's how you know you're ready for the next part. So next, we're going to take the balancing moisturizer, and you need to rinse with warm water and apply an ample amount of this to your hair, and it smells really good. Ugh. All right, just gonna finger comb that through, make sure it's all distributed. Wait about 5 minutes, and voila, after a rinse with warm water, nice defined curls. It feels a lot stronger and it already looks fuller. I have like the best definition after I do a protein treatment. So if you used it, let me know. If you have any other protein treatments that you would suggest for fine hair, please leave them in the comment box, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.